Okay, welcome back again. In this tutorial, you're going to learn how to add music, background music to your video. Okay, background music to your video. Now, this video is so boring if it will just be playing like this, Starry Crowds, um, and in hearing. Seriously, it's so boring. So let's just go straight. You come to the extreme. Any place you want this song or music to start, no problem. I want you to start from the beginning. So I make sure I go to the beginning of the video. Then I click on music. You see music here, around here. See it's the second icon here. You have here tracks, effects, records. Going to tracks. I should be having tracks that I want to use. Here you see featured, my music, effects, and all that. The featured are the ones you can collect from them. They are there. They have them. I don't have data now. I've said that earlier. You just check on their own, the ones that are free, and download and make use. For me, I'm going to my music, my own music. I have music in my phone. Here they are all. Choose any one and fix in. I think I even have some beats I made. I will teach us how to create beats for your videos in case you use somebody's own and they say it's copyright, so you want to post it online somewhere. So me, I had to solve that issue. I had to go and look for how to be creating my own beats, personal beats. These are all the beats I've used them. Second, I've used them in many of my videos I posted on YouTube. So let us just use one of them. I don't know. You click on it and listen. If you like this one, you just click on the use by the side here. You can also click on this love by the side of the use, so that is favorite to be added to your favorite, so that anytime it will just show pop up at the top. I don't think I like that. Let me check the next one. Check the next one. Check wherever you want to. Oh, it's sounding like the same one. I think I like the way this one starts. I didn't give it a name, make it born. Make it born beat. It's okay. I really took my time for this one. It's like I'll use that one. But let me check others. I might see something that will go for craft. Look, I even have a craft beat here. Maybe I used it in one of my craft videos. Okay. Craft beat too. So apart from all these ones, you can still use your songs too. Don't just say because I use your songs. I have your songs that I can use. It's more than a song. Oh, this one leg, sir. One leg, eh? One leg like this. Bounce it. Eh? Bounce it. Okay, so you use any one? But you see more of those things in picture than all those stuff. I like that I just checked. Okay. I don't mind. Use my naked bond. So after clicking on it, you click on use. Let's see how it goes. I'm playing the video now. If you don't like the beginning, you can cut it out. I will show us how to do that. If you want it to start already in the middle of the song, not a problem. Okay. So the video continues. There's another thing I'll let us know where you can stop. Remember, in the beginning of the class we learned how to create a background video. So the background of the video we extend as long as we want. So if you see that you're done with what you want, you can cut off the excess. Okay, we'll come to that. Right now it's music here. I'm going to start that song halfway. So we should start somewhere. I'm coming to here, see, split it and remove. It is splitted. Delete the first part. Then move this one. Move it in front. Let's start like this. We started this way. All right, so that's it. I'm gonna do now. Okay. So I'm moving this stuff. See in class stuff where okay, there's a stop. See in class. I'm gonna okay. I'm gonna split there and delete or come to the extreme here. It's not long and adjust. I'm dragging it back. Okay, dragging it back. Let's go back. I think it has reached the same class. That's where the video ends. So let's play it then and see. Same class. Stops there. I don't necessarily want the same class to leave, so let it end where the same class is there at the. Just add my logo. STARIEmed. And I just add my um. Okay, no. I think that's not part of this class. The next one maybe. All right, that is it for the music. The music also you can cut off the excess. Just come to music so that it will show you. Here's the music. This is where the video ends. Split it and delete the excess. Simple. Do your stuff. Nice. So we are done with that. Adding music to our things. Thank you. I'll see you in another class. Remember to take this for granted. Bye.